I'm going to show you how to restyle your short wig, taking it from this which you see right here to this beauty. If you want to see how you can restyle your short wavy wigs, please keep on watching this tutorial. First, I'm going to moisturize it using my Moroccan argan root oil. I'm going to put a small amount on my palm and massage it and apply it all over the hair. Next, I'm going to take my heat protectant spray and spray it all over the hair, and I'm using the Delafield Argan Oil Protein Magic Complex Heat Protectant Spray. After spraying it all over the hair, I'm going to use my hairbrush and hand dryer to just blow dry the hair a little bit before I start the process of styling the hair. This is just to make the hair a lot more fluffy than how it was originally. Next, after blow drying the hair using my blow dry brush, what I'm going to do is to start sectioning away the up part of the hair. So I'm going to use my hair clip and just take out the up part of the hair and clip it away and do it for the entire up part of the hair. Applied moisturizer on the lower part of the hair, brush through it, sprayed my heat protectant spray, and now I'm coiling the hair using a 32mm coiling wand. The way I'm styling this hair is I'm coiling it upwards. The next tutorial I'm going to upload is probably going to be the other way around. So after coiling the hair, I use my Velcro rollers to hold the coils up there. You would notice that when I use the Velcro rollers to hold the coils up there, the coil is not as tight as how it looks when I just pin the coils up using my hairpins. With the Velcro rollers, the coils are more loose, it's more fluffy, it's more voluminous. That's the reason why I'm using the Velcro rollers, because I want the coils to look more voluminous, unlike when I just use my hairpin. So we are going for like a blowout look. That's what we are going for on this short wig. So this tutorial is how to achieve a blowout look on your short wigs. Yes. So after coiling the bottom part of the hair, I cut out another layer on the middle section of the wig and clip away the topmost part, and then I start styling the middle part of the wig. I cut out the small section. I use my coiling wand to coil the hair upwards, and then I take out the coiling wand and wrap the hair around the Velcro rollers and pin it up, and I move on to coil another part of the hair. If you haven't bought my ebooks, they are available on my website. How to Start Your Hair Business ebook and hair extensions and how to test quality. These ebooks are very affordable. They retail for 5,000 naira and 7,000 naira. The paperback copy is also available on Amazon on how to start your hair business ebook. If you want to have the physical copy of the book, you can just check the link in the description box on how you can purchase the paperback copy on Amazon. Or if you just want an ebook that you can listen to or just read on your phone, shop them on my website. The links are in the description box. Back to the tutorial. So guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. I know right now the price of hair extensions in Nigeria, to be precise, is quite expensive, and that's because of the exchange rate, which has just been unstable of late. So this is something you can do for your old wigs. You don't have to always throw your old wigs away. If you have the time to style your wigs, just wash it and repeat the styling process that I'm doing here. If you don't have the time to do it yourself, you can send it out to me or somebody else who does wig revamps or offers wig revamp services. So this is just a way for you to, get the most out of the hair extensions that you already have if you don't have the resources to purchase a new one. Yeah, if you're getting value from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And one thing that I noticed about the Velcro rollers is when you use the smaller sized Velcro rollers, you typically are going to have more curls. Like the curls are going to be more bouncy with the smaller Velcro rollers. But when you use the larger Velcro rollers, you just tend to have like a blowout look without any serious waves. So if you want to have more serious waves on your hair, use the smaller size the Velcro rollers. But I like to have a mixture of both of them. That's the reason why I'm using Velcro rollers, like different sizes all over the entire hair. So it doesn't just have one boring particular, one precise look. I want it to have like variety. Like they say, variety is the spice of life. So I just finished coiling the entire hair right now. Then I let the Velcro roller sit on the hair for a few minutes before I took it out. I'm just taking it out now from one side of the hair. Then I'll take it out on the other side of the hair. You can already see how the hair is looking. I love how the curls are upwards and It's really beautiful, and I like the color of this wig. I colored it myself because it was originally black. Then I colored it to have this brown to honey blonde color mix, which is still very appropriate for somebody who works in a corporate environment. It's something you can still wear because it's not very, the color is not very sharp. Yeah, it's just very natural looking. So this is what the hair looks like after taking out the velcro rollers. I'm just combing it through. Then after combing it through, what I'm going to do next is to style the closure area after I'm done with combing the hair. You can see how fluffy it looks and how beautiful it is. So next, to style the closure area, I'm going to apply my hair wax on the hair around the closure area and then spray my heat protectant spray. Next, I'm just going to try and clean out the pattern to ensure that it's really straight and there's no hair that's going in the wrong direction. Next, I'm going to use my hot comb to start flattening the hair around the closure area to just get it to lay flat. Yes, and I repeat the same process on the other side of the hair to ensure that both sides of the hair is smooth and looks pretty nice. Yeah, and after doing it on both sides, do not forget the back of your hair. It's not just the front side, the front part of the closure you are trying to flatten out. You also want to ensure that the back also looks smooth. So take your time and flatten the hair around the closure area until it is as smooth as you want it to be. Yeah, guys, the hair looks really nice. Looks really, really nice. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section what tutorials you want to see next. And in this I've been procrastinating on uploading coloring tutorials, but in the next few months I'm going to be filming coloring tutorials, but those tutorials are only going to be available for people who are channel members. So I think right about now is a good time for you to become a channel member if you want to have access to my coloring tutorials. But if I don't put it out on YouTube, I'm probably going to put it in a private community, a paid private community, probably going to be on Telegram. So when you pay for the tutorial, you get to watch all the collections of the coloring tutorials. I'm probably going to film about 5 or 6 coloring tutorials, so it's going to be coloring and styling, like all that, yeah, in the next coming weeks/month. So this is the finished look of this wig. You can see how beautiful the hair is. It's fluffy, it's moving. This is what we started with, very dry, crusty, no movement, and we are ending with this beauty right here. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, be bold, have courage, be positive vibe, and I'll see you in my next one. Watch my other videos. Bye, love.